Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can copy and fill data in Excel. So in today's topic we are going to cover all these points, 7 points are there. So how we can drag and fill the data. So if I want to copy this data and fill somewhere, I have to just select that and make it to the that bottom corner, bottom right corner, and keep on dragging. If you see that data will be get filled, and once we click that, all data got filled. And if you closely observe, we have another one function is available which called autofill option. When I click on this, we can see copy cell. So whatever the cell was there, we can copy it. 4 options are there. We can fill only formats. You have drag it, but I want to only format. If you observe, only format got filled. Again I click without formatting, just value. Without formatting, the value got pasted, and flash fill. So this one we will be having the upcoming video, we will be having separate topic. So what is the flash fill? But if I click, it won't work, it will give the error. Okay, it when the date none of the data got pasted, right? Okay, so I think in flash fill the data that nothing is getting pasted here, but we will discuss on this. So as of now, if I'll copy entire thing is getting pasted. Again I'll go with this and clicking on this fill format only, so there is no data. Again I'm dragging down just to show you that more clear. Fill the without formatting, so data got filled, but there is no format. Again I'm selecting it and dragging down, click on this fill without format is the flash fill, but as of now data is not, nothing is getting flash fill. Okay. So hope you have understand this topic, dragging, how we can drag and fill the data, and based on that, like first by default it will, we can copy whatever the data is available on that cell, the total will be get filled there. Format only, the only format which we can see on the F column, only format got filled. The next we have the G column where only without format the value got. Then flash fill is, we have flash fill we will be seeing in the upcoming video. It is actually flash fill. Okay, now one more topic is there, like sometime we have some this format. Okay, just let me remove her for now. Okay, EMP day 1. Okay, now if you observe, like I just put the day 1 and I drag it in like in the right side, and if you observe the day 2, day 3, day 3 got added. Okay, so we'll discuss again this one. Just I'm selecting, I'm formatting one small table, for example, our example. Okay, I have this format ready with me. Okay, now I want to say the same data, like I want to paste data whatever the cell is available, or whatever the sheet I have selected, it get pasted in the same format. Okay, so let me open one sheet, one book, and I'm just entering the, okay, I'm selecting all these, sorry, I have selected here, but I'm selecting all these one by one. Okay, and I'll paste here. Okay, so if you observe all the cells, right, all the sheet got I pasted only on one cell, one sheet, H11 which I selected, but if you observe, the data got pasted on the all the sheet. Okay, whatever I have selected, right, all the sheet on the same same data we get. Let it put again, I'm copying here, I'm creating new. Okay, I want 5, say. Okay, 5 sheet, and now this format I want to be pasted here. So if you observe, in sheet 2, sheet 3 it did not get pasted anything, right? Now what I'll do, I'll select all these, okay, then I'll select A1 and paste it. If you observe, in sheet 2 also the data same pattern, right? Same cell, the data got. So this is the way we can paste the data in the multiple cell at the same time. Let it be 1500, whatever cells are there, we can paste it, but we have to select those cells. Okay, hope this one is clear. Now the last topic for in this video is filling the data based on the pattern. Okay, so to understand that, just say for example, if I have one name is written, okay, Daksh, okay, and if now try to paste this, okay, so Daksh 1 2 3 got, like Daksh only got pasted, nothing is there. It is asking what you want, like same again, that format only, all those. But more interesting is that if I put Daksh 1, okay, if I am pasting here, if you observe, the number got recorded, okay, 1 2 3 3. So in Excel there is some intelligence they have built it based on the pattern, whatever you want to do. If you tease that, like this is the way I want, it will be pasted. So if you observe, we have data here, it's saying that fill the series, fill format only, fill without formatting, fill format without formatting. If you no format is not there, that not, but if you see, if I paste copy cell only, that's 1 1 wherever it was, fill series, the series will be getting filled. Okay, then if you have one number, if I type one number 1 2 3, right, if I type it and if I paste, drag down, right, so automatically the data is getting filled. Now if I have some formula, okay, equal to 20 into what is the value here, okay, I'm entering that, I'm selecting it and I'm just dragging it. So if you observe that formula got, again we have copy cell, format cell only, format and flash fill. So Excel having some intelligence on built in, so which can make our work little bit faster and easy. Okay, that's all for this video. If you have anything, any other doubt on this, just let us know in the comment box, we will get back to you. In next video we are going to see advanced fill and filling a series, custom fill, how we can create a custom series. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.